In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the expiry date of your hosting or hosting package. Knowing when your hosting package expires is essential to keep your websites running smoothly without any interruptions. Whether you're managing a personal blog or running a business website, ensuring that you have ample time to renew your package is crucial. So let's get started and make sure you're never caught off guard. First, you'll need to navigate over to the Hostinger homepage. If you're not already logged into your account, you might be prompted to do so. Logging in will take you directly to the H panel, Hostinger's user-friendly control panel designed to make managing your hosting and websites as seamless as possible. This panel serves as a central hub for all your hosting needs, whether it's setting up new sites, managing files, or, as in today's case, keeping an eye on your subscription details and expiration dates. Once you're on the Hostinger H panel, direct your attention to the upper navigation bar. Here, you're going to locate and click on the section labeled Billing. This area is where all your financial transactions and active packages are managed. In the Billing section, you can review past bills, manage your payment methods, and most importantly, manage your subscriptions. After clicking on Billing, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll find an option labeled Subscriptions. The Subscriptions section is your go-to area for viewing all your active hosting packages. It provides a comprehensive list of any services you're signed up for, including information about when they began and when they are set to expire. Once you're in the subscriptions section, the next step is to find the specific information regarding the expiration of your hosting package. Look for the column or field that indicates expiration date. This is where Hostinger lists the expiry details of each of your active subscriptions. It's essential to review this section periodically to ensure you are aware of any upcoming renewals needed. And there you have it. A straightforward way to check the expiry date of your hosting or hosting package. And keep in mind that renewing your package before it expires is crucial to maintaining your site's uptime and security. Hostinger often sends reminders when your package is nearing its expiration, but it's always good to be proactive. That's all there is to it. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to manage your hosting renewals smartly, keeping your online presence active and uninterrupted. Thanks for tuning in today, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to share it with others who might benefit from it. Until next time, take care and happy hosting.